My line when I moved on the boat was always that I'm not a mechanic. I don't know how to fix that. Well, the longer you live on a boat and you realize the more things that fail, and the fact that most mechanics are 125 hours an hour, you learn to fix things. YouTube, the manuals, and a little patience and just having a little bit of a can-do attitude, dive in, you'd be surprised what you can do. Case in point is my Vacuflush toilet broke, and I learned how to fix it myself.
So many things on a boat. It's like, I've never done this before. Your choice is to watch YouTube, read the manuals and dive in, or call somebody at 125 hours an hour.
Well, here we have the tool bag. It is 7 in the morning. There we have a toilet with a broken pedal.
Wait, the pedal goes down, but it doesn't return. Sort our business. Stick glove up. Get the part, which we have. We carry a very good parts box on this boat. Turn the water off, please. I have to take the base apart. Not a lot of room in a boat slash RV toilet or head. So you're gonna have to get down. Thankfully, we keep it pretty darn clean. Okay, there's one side. There's the whole cover. That came off pretty easily. Came off. Where'd that come from? Oh. Okay, that's the pedal cover. Exposes the metal rod you actually step on, and I think that's the spring cartridge in there, but let's see. What am I doing? Turn the toilet off. There's a hose clamp there. Hose go on. Okay, I think that hose clamp, I think that just comes off there. Okay, we'll have to edit that. I think the spring cartridge is under this. Coming out.
This is how our day's starting. Good. Is that? The pedal's broken. Captain Mechanic was in there fixing it. It's 7 in the morning.
Okay, there's this. Oh yeah. That goes in there, but that piece should be wrapped up in here, so that broke. Oh, that's screw.
Morning.
Okay, trash, here we go. Alright, so I replaced the half ball thingy, which is the flusher. I replaced the some kind of a shaft that the thing rides on. And now I'm going to probably replace the whole big seal since I got it apart. Sure, this one went like this. If I get it wrong, well, that won't be good. Oh, I think. I actually think that's right. Now, not that I surprise myself every once in a while.
Manual ended up on the floor. And he's back doing research.
I say put a little bit of cooking oil on here just to make it fit better. According to Mr. Toilet Expert on YouTube. There we go. They say you can use silicone spray or cooking oil. I don't know if I had any silicone spray. That's actually the pedal, not the plastic piece you stick on. It's pretty good, strong steel. Okay, so this is the new cartridge. That's the new spring that's going to cause the pedal to retract. Goes first. I think this goes in like that. Doesn't feel right. I can't get my head in there to look. Okay, that. not fitting right now. Oh, I see. It's going to get pushed in with the screws. I see. Okay. I think we're doing okay. Oh, I also see I've got to have this in the closed position. Otherwise the toilet's going to stay. Ooh, I want to think this might be working this time. I think positively. This is the water valve's got to go back on. They say it's really important to use the new screws, so we'll do that. Put the water supply line back on. This actually holds the whole thing together. I can't tell if it's going on. What in the hell? Why won't that go in there? It won't go in because it's not supposed to go in yet. I forgot to put this on. That was a good call. Thank you. That would have... But I would have had to take it out again. Gotta get this back together. What's that going on? Damn it. Getting close, but I can't get... Starting to go. That's a good sign. Okay. We're making progress. I think we're almost ready to go back together. Put the bowl on. Bowl before breakfast. Not too shabby. This is the part you remember when you're sitting up in the captain's chair, looking at the sun go down. Think what a great day you had. And you remember mornings like this. It's all part of the deal. Oops. I've learned in the past not to over-tighten plastic, so we'll stop there. I think the next step is to actually put the bowl on. Ooh, I got a mess here I gotta clean up. Disgusting. That's disgusting. Now we're gonna put the bowl on. This is not plastic. I can't even see if it's on. That's good. Put it like that. The valve is dead center on the hole. I replaced the spring cartridge. I replaced the 2 rubber seals. I replaced the shaft that actually operates that thing, and I've just reseated the bowl.
Okay.
And everything looks centered. Now I got to strap it on so we don't tip over when we sit on it.
I need to clean that.
After I put this toilet on,
Doesn't that look kind of grody?
I'll put this. Gotta make sure that clamp is in the direct back. I don't think I moved it. Okay, the clamp is back here. This is connected in the front. Clamp is right at the opening of those 2 pieces, which is what it should be.
Yeah.
All right, we'll stop there. If it feels loose, I'll tighten it more. Now I gotta put the water supply back on. I think that goes right here, like that. I think that's the last piece. This is the test. You can turn on the water. I'll turn on the Vacuflush. Look at that.
All right.
What the hell? Okay, that wasn't good.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Oh, the freaking water. Oh, that's a pain in the ass. I'm gonna have to fix that. What the hell?
At the end of the last video, when I started cursing like a sailor, the water valve got stuck, but I adjusted that, tightened the screws, little WD-40, and the toilet flushes like